Hi, happy Thursday and welcome back to my channel, The Bag Maker Society. My name's Deb. Today's video is a little bit different to videos that are normally put out on the channel because it is a website update for my bag making business. So normally I don't sort of put videos out with regards to my supplies business, but I thought an update that I need to put out there would be easier done in video format than putting it out on an email. So we're coming up into the Christmas period, which can mean different things for different businesses. Some businesses are super busy, other businesses are really quiet. For me, it's a weird one. My business tends to get really quiet kind of from around about now over sort of like the Christmas period, and that's mainly because people have bought their supplies in order to make presents, because nobody wants to be making presents last minute on Christmas Eve, although usually most of us are, if we're completely honest. But yeah, most people are organised and buy their supplies in the run up to Christmas, and then are making their gifts in the weeks leading up to Christmas. So my orders usually tend to really peter out from now over the Christmas period. So December for me is a very quiet month, which is fine. I know this is something that I know. Don't worry. So what my plan is for this year, because I have lots of other projects that I need to kind of get done and finished over December, and there are loads of projects that are kind of in the middle of, and I'm struggling to get finished and sort of completed. I'm actually going to close the website down in December and have it closed completely, because it is usually so quiet. So the website is going to close on the 30th of November, midnight, the 1st of December, and will reopen midnight on the 3rd of January. So I wanted to put this out there with plenty of time. So, any of you last minute dancers weren't caught short, and were able to order your supplies in plenty of time. So even if you are going to be sewing right up to Christmas Eve, you've got your supplies already in hand. So yeah, so when you go onto the website after the 1st of December, there will be a notice on there saying that we are closed over December. So you won't just go on there and not be able to order and think, what the heck is going on. There will be a notice on there saying that we're closed for December for Christmas, but I wanted to sort of put this out there so that people knew, and they knew what was going on. So I will probably put this out in an email to all subscribers as well, but I just thought if I put a video out that I can put on my Facebook and what have you, it's a little bit easier than some really long post that somebody's probably going to see and go, oh, can't be bothered to read that, and then come the 1st of December be like, wish I'd read it. And then they're messaging me and I'm like, I'm really sorry, but I'm in the middle of doing a whole host of other things and I just can't. So yeah, I mean, you'll probably know as well, if you do sort of like follow me online and what have you, that you'll probably know that we've had a lot of things going on within the family as well. So by closing in December, not only is it going to mean that I can get all of these other like projects done and completed, so that going into 2025, done, they're all sorted, I haven't got them hanging over me. It is also going to mean that I'm going to be able to spend some time with my family, which as a small business owner is something that I really struggle to do. But it is also going to mean as well that in December I can actually put some focus into my YouTube channel, which is something that in December I really want to be able to do. So yes, so come the 30th of November, please make sure that you have your orders in, because come the 1st of December, the website will be closed. I do have some of the projects that I have to do on the website, and trying to do them while the website is open is really it's a nightmare, I'm not going to lie. So by having the website closed, it means that I can get those things done, and I'm not going to break it, basically. And by it being closed all over December means that I don't have to sit for very, very long periods of time getting it done. I can break it down into much more manageable chunks, spread it out, and yeah, it's much better for me, better for my mental health, better for my menopausal brain. I'm hopefully going to make much less spelling mistakes. Not promising. I'll probably get lots of emails with, you've spelt this wrong, you've used the wrong there. I'm so bad for using the wrong there. But yeah, that is the plan, and that is the reason why. I know I don't have to explain the reason why I'm doing it, but you know me, I'm always as transparent as I can be. You know, I'm not just closing it down because I want a month to lie in bed. That is not going to happen. Still going to be working really hard, just on different things. And, you know, it might mean that I get a little bit more time off than what I normally get, because I don't really get much time off. But that is why. So I'm going to go now, get this edited and get it out as soon as I possibly can, so you guys know that that is what is happening. So get all of your orders in for whatever you're going to need for all those projects that you want to sew for your Christmas presents, or for yourself. I mean, don't forget yourself. All up to December, if you run your own business and you use me as your supplier for interfacing, all that sort of thing, make sure that you have your orders in. I know that there are a couple of things that are out of stock on the website now. I do have a big delivery to go onto the website to get put away. I just need Andy's help to be able to get that onto the website, because it is quite big. So if there is something that is out of stock at the moment, hang on and put your order in on Monday, because it's probably going to be restocked by Monday. Just a little heads up, it's probably sitting on my cutting table at the moment waiting to be restocked. I just need somebody big and strong to be able to help me do it. So apologies to all my normal subscribers, especially those in the US who are like, this does not apply to me, you don't sell to the US. I'm so sorry. But if you've watched, I'm so grateful, because obviously it helps with my YouTube algorithm and that sort of thing. So thank you for sitting through this, even though it might not apply to you. Especially with it being a break for my normal content. I promise these will be very, very few and far between that I put out things that don't normally apply to my YouTube channel. But I just thought this was the easiest way of doing it. So, like I say, get it edited, get it out there, and yeah, have a fantastic rest of the day. And I'm looking forward to Saturday to going to the knitting and stitching show and spending money on fabric that I don't need. So until next time, see you soon, take care, bye.